If you wish to use MATLAB's powerful toolboxes directly inside Python, you are in the exact right place. Anyone wishing to learn how to integrate these two languages can stop searching right now. Today, I am going to show you how to execute MATLAB code inside a Python environment with just few lines of code. We start by first launching Python, the command window. Then we start by importing the official matlab.engine packet. So I'll write down import matlab.engine. Next, we go ahead and launch the engine by using a command m is equal to matlab.engine.start underscore matlab. Keep in mind, this boots up a full instance of MATLAB as a background process on your machine, and it's very normal that it may take 5 to 10 seconds to load or more depending upon your system configuration. Once it gets loaded, we can start writing the commands. As you can see, now it has loaded. So let's go ahead and try to execute a simple line of code. So now the exciting part is we already know that MATLAB has a built-in MATLAB square root function, and we want to directly access it through our engine, which is being instantiated over here by the variable m. So what we are going to do is we are going to write it as m.sqrt 144.0. As you can clearly see now, this square root function is a MATLAB command. Let's try to see what result do we get, and the result is 12.0. Now it's time to understand how we safely shut down the engine. So this is very easy. We write down m.quit, and now we can exit from the Python. So what we observe is, if you want to understand that this is honestly the simple way to connect Python and MATLAB together. If you want to copy this exact code to try it yourself, I have pasted the full script down in the video description. Hit that like button if this video helped you save your time, and leave a comment if you run into any setup issues. And please subscribe for more quick coding tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.